So in this sort, we're going to look at prefixes re, x, in, and d. And again, a prefix is something that goes on the beginning of like a base word and changes the meaning. So let's just kind of go over maybe some of these prefixes. Like you have re, so say the word replay. The word play is like when you're playing a game or something. So replay would be to do it again. That's what re means. And then you have x, which means to like get out. So like exhale, that's not a good one. I mean, that means like breathe out, like exhale. Excess would mean to have like too much. Explore is like to look around and see things outside. Exterior is like the outside of anything. So like interior is the interior would be inside, and then exterior is X, like the outside. So exhale is like when you blow something out. Exile is like when you send somebody out. Exhaust is the stuff that comes out of your car. So none of these are perfect examples of like X to be out of or beyond. So that's a kind of X is a tricky prefix because these base words don't necessarily have meaning on their own. In means like into, inside, part of, like inflate. That's not the best one, but if you look at the word deflate, they're like opposites. Inflates when you put air in something, and deflates when you take air out of something. Deflate, I would say, is a synonym of exhale, kind of, right? Interior and exterior you have. Those are antonyms. Inhabit. So a habit is something you do. Inhabit is when you do it inside somewhere. So like generally inhabit means like live somewhere. So like when you're living in somewhere, you're inhabiting it, kind of, right? Re's the best one, like reclaim. I like that one. That's an easy one. I claim it again. Yay. Inmate, it's like a prisoner. Inhale and exhale, those are antonyms there. Install, yeah, that doesn't make sense at all. Stall is like when you try to avoid doing something. So install is to do it. No, install is when you put something in it. Like you put something together. So those are tricky ones. D means to take away. So again, deflate and inflate are antonyms. But you have some good ones with D. Defrost. I take the frost off of something. Defrost. Decrease. Increase would be your antonym there. So just knowing the meaning of like increase and decrease. Like decrease, I take away. Increase is putting it into, so you're giving more of it. Delete is when you're taking away letters and stuff. This is going to read through these real quick. Deprive, taking something away from someone. Exiled, defrost, talked about that. Reappear, so when you're appearing again. Interior, reclaim, claiming again. Defrost. Interior is inside something. Defrost, taking the frost off. Explore, looking outside and like exploring things. Deprive, taking things away. Excess, too much of something, like outside of what you need to have. Inmate is someone who's like inside a prison. Reconsider, consider again. Decrease, take down. Reruns, to run something again. Usually it's referring to like TV shows when they air them again. Exhaust, like tire out, to get out of energy, or like the stuff that comes out of your car. Inhale, to breathe in. Research, to search again. That's why it's called research. Like if I say do research, it means like search and search and search and keep searching until you find it. Delete, take it away. Exterior, outside. Reaction is the action that you do in response to something. Installs, to put something together or like put it in things. Like you might install a program on your computer. So that's kind of the definition of those words real quick. Sort them into columns based on the prefix. Should be pretty straightforward. Pause the video, do that. I'm going to slide down now to your chart. Take a look at it. Check to see if you got your words in the right spots. Again, this is those prefixes re, x, in, and d.